This is Cyclones 120 and Gemma Jessel 128, same person. The new channel, Cyclone 1128, and I see good that more people are watching Cyclones 120, which will be by 2015 will be the permanent channel for all tropical cyclone videos. So now we are starting here in the Atlantic with Hurricane Gonzalo, which I don't know where all the maps just went away. It just disappeared for a second. Which became a hurricane, and last video it was a tropical storm and I did it, and right now it's a hurricane as a 10th advisory, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday, October 14th, 2014, located 22.2 degrees north, 66 degrees west. Winds are 100 knots or 115 miles per hour. Major hurricane status, becoming the second major hurricane of the season. 120 knots wind gust or 140 mile per hour wind gust, and winds moving to the northwest at 11 knots or 15 miles per hour, and a pressure of 970 millibars. So expected by 12 hours to be a 125 mile per hour hurricane. In 24 hours, 135 mile per hour category 4 hurricane. By 36 hours, a 140 mile per hour category 4 hurricane. And if it does become a category 4 hurricane, it'll be the first category 4 since Hurricane Ophelia in 2011. So winds are 100, it would be 140 miles per hour in 36 hours. 48 hours will be weakening to a category 3, 125. And this is where it's going to affect Bermuda, since Bermuda's right there, as a major hurricane most likely, of 115 miles per hour. Okay, now I'm back. And here we are, we can see the major hurricane 115. It's going to be weakening down by 96 hours, a 100 mile per hour category 2. And that's pretty strong for up here. And by 120 hours or 5 days, 75 mile per hour extratropical hurricane. If the system was more to the west, it would have affected, but luckily to this system out here, it's pushing out the system out of the way. So here you can see a look at Gonzalo right now. We're going to zoom in. We're going to take off the track of the there you go. You can see here's Hurricane Gonzalo. Really organized. You can see the eye right in the center of the system, and you can see just a little bit out there, but most of the system is fairly organized. Nice eye. We're gonna put on the radar if we can get radar from the system, but I don't think we can. Oh yeah, we can. You can see rain right in the center. Just pictures out of the eye is actually over here, not down there. But you can see an eye wall. There you can see an eye wall, rain bands, some outer bands, and this is also associated with the system. So that's Major Hurricane Gonzalo. We're now going to go to the Pacific, where this is the first storm improvement tracking the Pacific. I don't know, I'm just starting now in the Pacific. But we have an invest or something that's out here. I put it back on. There's an invest out of here that has a 30% chance and 60% chance of forming, I think. Well, there is an invest with 30% chance in the next 48 hours. And this is the newer tropical storm, which is Tropical Storm Anna. Here we're going to go to Central Pacific Hurricane Center. Turn on Anna. Turn off National. Oh, I think we need the National one. We're going to take off this legend, because it takes up half the screen on this computer. Okay, so here looking at Tropical Storm Anna, which you can see, let me put the cone on as well. Here we hit the cone, the track's not on there, I don't know why, if I disabled it. Let me see, not there for some reason, not sure why, but probably try to see get it to work a little later. But right now you can see, here's Anna. Right now we're gonna click it. Winds are at 55 miles per hour. Okay, the winds are at, as of advisory number 5, winds are at gusting at 55 miles per hour, gusting to 65 miles per hour. Pressure of 997 millibars. According to the track I do not have, expected to go out and possibly strengthen into a hurricane, possibly make landfall on the Big Island of Hawaii. If so, it will become the first storm ever on recorded since records have started to make landfall as a hurricane on Hawaii, since most storms come out this way and they're weakened due to colder water here. So if Anna does, it will bring the strongest winds that the Big Island has seen, but not the strongest hurricane ever to hit Hawaii, because that was Hurricane Aniki in 1992. So we're gonna fix the map quick. Other systems out in the world is not really that much. The world's pretty much quiet. Google Earth stopped responding. Yay. But we have Major Hurricane Gonzalo. We have Tropical Storm Anna. And Mongfong is extra tropical now, and whatever's left of here we're gonna see Mongfong, which is somewhere out there. It's over leaving Japan now. Remnants are extra tropical cyclone, and Hud is also remnants an extra tropical cyclone. That's it for this dual update on Tropical Storm Anna and in the Central Pacific, and Major Hurricane Gonzalo in the Atlantic. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Until next time, bye.